Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to take screenshot of Excel chart. So in this video I show you two different ways to take screenshot of Excel chart. So let's start the first one. To take the screenshot, just press the Windows key plus Shift plus S. And here you see the once you press this keys, the screenshot option will appear at the top of your screen. Just choose the snip type, the first one, and drag your area and select the area to capture the screenshot. So I select this chart to take the screenshot, and that's it. It's done. Now just go to the search icon of your Windows. So I just click on the search and select here the paint. You can search here paint also. I already searched, therefore it's showing. I click on the paint and open here paint. Then I use here Control V, and here you see your screenshot is paste here. If you want to save, just click on the file, click on the save as, and you can save this screenshot. Okay. So you can choose the destination where you want to save. So I select the desktop and I just enter here column chart. Okay. Column chart screenshot. Okay. One. Okay, then save as a type. The file type is default selected png. If you want to change, just click on this drop down arrow and you can select here the different type of file type, also jpg, okay, gif and others. Okay, so I select here the png and click on the save. Okay, I just go to the desktop and I show you column chart screenshot. Just double click on it to open this, and here you see your screenshot of chart is saved. Okay, this is the first way. And the second way to take the screenshot of Excel chart, simply click on the chart, right click of the mouse and click on the save as picture option. And here you can see the one dialog box is open, save as a picture. Select the destination where you want to save. I choose the desktop, and here change the file name if you want. So I select here the file name column chart screenshot 1. I edit here screenshot number 2. So I just edit 2 number and save as type. The file type is a default selected png. If you want to change, just click on this drop down arrow. You can select here jpg, gif and others. So I select the png and click on the save, and that's it. I just go to the desktop and here you can see the screenshot 2 is saved. Just double click on it to open the screenshot, and here you see your column chart screenshot is saved. Okay, this is the way you can take this screenshot with the two different way of Excel chart. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.